Now it's been painted, but I can tell you now, you'll hardly notice any difference because the walls are still white. But I can tell you what, the quality of the paint and the paint job is so much better. My stubborn old dad insisted on painting it himself at 83 years old, and he used the cheapest paint he could manage, and so it was not great at all. But it is now. Richie and Jack have done a cracking job. I've basically got things sorted out, but not everything. It's clean, it's wiped and all of that, and things basically put back together. Oh, let me just quickly show you this. This is what I'm going to be doing a bit today. I ordered some. Who needs tablets when you can have fabric to lift your spirits and give you some mental health therapy? Look at that. Going to make a very basic wall hanging for that to go up in my sewing room. But yeah, even this skirting board is so much better because, as you know, in a sewing space, everywhere gets so full of lint and dust. So with the old paint, they were still very rough. So it's really hard to clean. But now a quick wipe, and it's a special easy wipe paint or something. So hopefully it'll be a lot easier to keep clean and fairly dust-free. But yeah, the shop items haven't gone back on, but I am no longer doing the socials for many reasons, which I'm not going to get into now. But I need to focus on selling my retail stuff. A lot of it is stuff that people, it's basic haberdashery, a lot of it, but I do also have a pile of fabric. So I need to get selling those. So you may well see me using my Friday afternoons to do something, even if it's putting them onto eBay or something, I don't know, or trying to sell them via live videos and stuff. I've yet to figure it out, but I know it's something I need to do. And if I'm not doing the socials, I can set my mind to that. I am still doing private workshops and the retreats and private lessons, of course, and long arming when I get my act together and start doing other people's quilts. But there's the doors are the big win of this paint job anyway. Yeah, so things are changing, and it hasn't been quite the quiet wintering that I'd envisaged, but you know what, it feels so good to get this space working again and clean and tidy.